Aloha! I want to take you on a quick journey here on my favorite place in the world, the island of Hawaii. I've been all over this island, and I can tell you, there's not very many places that are more special than here. Let's take a ride up to one of my favorite places on this island that's a very unique place, Mauna Kea. Up here is the world famous observatories. They got the Subaru telescope, they've got Keck up here observatory, and it's because it's in the middle of the Pacific Islands or Pacific Ocean, and the elevation is above 13,800 feet. And if you know anything about altitude and carbureted motorcycles, they don't like being at this altitude very well. So I had to keep revving the engine to keep it from dying. It's a great place to come, and I really enjoy doing it when it's snowy up here, because you don't see that very often with a motorcycle, especially considering the fact that you're in a tropical location like Hawaii. I just wanted to give you a feel and a taste of what it's like to be up here. Here we are. Ooh, my fingers are cold. Made it. Not going to stay awfully long. Now that we're off the top of Mauna Kea, we're down in a place called Parker Ranch. It's in Waimea, which is one of the largest cattle ranches in the entire country. And I happen to find a couple of other guys doing the same thing. Don and Dave out here riding. We decided to ride from Waimea and head towards Mauna Kea Access Road across Mana Road. It's a great place to come out and be away from the people. You get to drive through cattle ranches, get some dust in your lungs, but more than anything, some wonderful sights and alone time. It's a great way to recharge. But you'll notice the scenery changes everywhere you go. This is a location, it's considered at the south end of the island, and I am driving from Pahala to a place called Na'alehu, which is at the south end of the island. You'll find the southernmost bakery in the entire United States here, Punalu'u Bakery. They have some of the best sweetbread anywhere. It's an awesome place. It's a great drive across this road because you don't run into traffic. Now as we fly over the Jeep, we're at a place called Makalavena Beach. This is a shoreline that is very sparsely traveled because it's a rough direction, a rough climb in. But I really like to fly the drone out over the ocean looking at the island because you really get a spectacular sense of where you are. Looking back under the clouds up there, that's Kohala. It's a volcano here on the island. And when you look down into the water, sometimes you can see sea turtles, manta rays, fish, sharks, people, surfers, you know. And then lo and behold, you pop up in Kale, which is the southernmost point in the entire United States, South Point. And if you're standing on the edge where I'm standing and landing the drone, you'll know what I'm talking about. Thanks for riding with me.